Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to discuss the most important organizations, their headquarters and establishment of year of establishment. So this is the most important for exam point of view because in every examination whatever SSC, railway or bank, question from organization asked in every examination. So this is the most important. So let's start. The very first organization is यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एब्रीविएशन यूएनओ. इसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या है? यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूएनओ. हेडक्वार्टर न्यूयॉर्क यूएसए. इस्टेब्लिशमेंट ईयर 1945. नेक्स्ट इज यूनाइटेड नेशन चिल्ड्रन फंड, शॉर्ट फॉर्म यूनिसेफ. हेडक्वार्टर न्यूयॉर्क यूएसए and establishment year 1946. So next is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, short form UNCTAD. Headquarter Geneva, Switzerland 1964. Establishment year. Next and very common, World Health Organization WHO. Headquarter Geneva, Switzerland. Formation year 1948. Next is International Labour Organization. International Labour Organization, ILO short form. Headquarter Geneva, Switzerland. Formation year 1919. Next is International Committee of the Red Cross, ICRC. International Committee of the Red Cross, ICRC short form. Headquarter Geneva, Switzerland. Formation year, establishment year 1863. Next is World Trade Organization, WTO. Headquarter Geneva, Switzerland, and formation year is, or establishment year is 1995. Next is United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO short form, and headquarter Paris, France, and formation or establishment year 1945. Next is World Meteorological Organization, WMO, Geneva, Switzerland. Formation or establishment year 1950. Next, World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO. Headquarter Geneva, Switzerland, and formation year 1967. Next is International Organization for the Standardization, IOS short form, and headquarter Geneva, Switzerland, and establishment year 1947. Next is International Atomic Energy, IAEA. Headquarter Vienna, Austria, and formation year 1957. Next is Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC. Headquarter Vienna, Austria. Establishment year 1960. Next is International Monetary Fund, IMF. Headquarter Washington DC, USA. Formation or establishment year 1945. Next, very important organization, World Bank, WB short form. Headquarter Washington DC, USA, and formation year 1945. Next is International Maritime Organization, IMO, and headquarter London, UK, and establishment year 1959. Next is Amnesty International, AI. Headquarter London, UK, and for establishment year 1961. Next is International Court of Justice, ICJ. Short form is ICJ, and headquarter The Hague, Netherlands, and formation year 1945. Most of the organization established in 1945. Next, Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO is short form of Food and Agriculture Organization. Italy, Rome is headquarter of FAO, and formation year is 1945. Next, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, headquarter Brussels, Belgium, 1949 or establishment year. Next, International Renewable Energy Agency, IRE, यानी Abu Dhabi, UAE, headquarter and establishment year 2009. Next is South Asian for the Regional Corporation, SARC. This is the very common and headquarter in Kathmandu, Nepal. Formation or establishment year 1985. Next is Association of Southeast Asian Nation. Short form is ASEAN, Asian. Headquarter Jakarta, Indonesia. Establishment year 1967. Next is Asia Pacific Economic Corporation, APEC. Headquarters Singapore. Formation or establishment year 1989. Next is Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC, Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and establishment year is 1969. So next is Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapon. Organization for the Prohibition of the Chemical Weapon, OPCW is short form, and headquarter The Hague, Netherlands, and establishment year is 1997. So next is Worldwide Fund for Nature. Worldwide Fund for Nature, short form is WWF. Headquarter Gland, Ward, Switzerland, and establishment year is 1961. So next is World Economic Forum, WEF. Headquarter in Switzerland, Cologne, and establishment year 1971. Next is International Hydrographic Organization, ISO. Headquarter in Monaco. And establishment year 1921. Next is International Cricket Council, ICC, and headquarter Dubai, UAE, and establishment year 1909. Next is International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, Gland, Switzerland, and establishment year 1948. Next is International Council on Monument and Sites, short form ICOMOS. Headquarter Paris, France, and establishment year 1965. Next and last, United Nations World Tourism Organization, UNWTO, and headquarter Madrid, Spain, and formation or establishment year is 1974. So this is end of video. Thank you.